Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new GEELY COOLRAY. It's a brand new car available on Croatian market, and as you can see we have a very nice and sporty design. 4 meters 38 is the length of the car, and you see on the front the sporty bumper and very pronounced details such as those red elements on the grille, beautiful LEDs, and then 18-inch gloss black wheels. There's also other trim available which has lavender color, which is special color that changes depending on the sun, and different wheels, but I prefer this trim actually. And this is the look at the rear. Let me unlock the car once again and you will see the beautiful connected tail lights, GEELY lettering in gloss black, and 4 real exhaust pipes. Now, something that you don't often see in modern day cars, we can open the tailgate as well. I just did it with the button on the key. There we go. And yeah, well, we are ready to go. You can close it also with the key, so let's do it actually. There we go. Of course, there are also buttons on the tailgate itself. And I want to hear your thoughts on the sporty design of this car. I mean, just look at the rear spoiler, very impressive. And I'm a big fan of this design. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. A lot of people are turning their heads and looking at it. And now let me show you also the interior, and we will go on a nice relaxed night point of view drive. So let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright, this is the view in front of the driver. One cool detail: when I press the brake pedal, this start button illuminates to green, and now I can press it and we are ready to go. Let me put on my seatbelt. This is the gear selector for the 7-speed DCT dual clutch automatic transmission. Put it to drive and we are ready to go. So let me tell you about the technical details. This car is powered by a 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 172 horsepower and 290 newton meters of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is 7.6 seconds and top speed is 200 kilometers per hour. Now this is the only option, so this engine comes with this trim or other trim that is available. Speaking about the trims, the car is basically fully packed. The only thing that you can choose is the color, or again go for the higher trim than this that has the lavender color. It's like a special color that changes in the sunlight, and it's got different wheels. I prefer the gloss black wheels on this one. Also, I prefer this color, so my choice would definitely be this one. Tell me in the comments how would you spec it. And of course, this car is great value for money. The technical details and the prices will also be in the description, so you can check it out. And well, yeah, I think you will enjoy this night point of view test drive. So the price for this model is 26,270 euros, and then extra 720 euros for the gray color that we have on the outside, of course. And soon we will depart this rather huge garage and go on a nice relaxed drive. And you can see the layout here. Beautiful dual screens with the digital cockpit in front of the driver and the main touchscreen in the middle. And when I press the indicator, you see this view that helps you a lot, especially, for example, when you're in tight spot. Okay, we can go. So look at this. And the measures of the screens: 10.25-inch digital cockpit in front of the driver and the 12.3-inch main touchscreen. You can also notice the beautiful ambient lights. They really make the drive itself even more special. And now that we are stationary, let me show you the options. So here you have the car settings, and I will go to ambient lights because we can choose different colors. I think this is nice. And you can also choose different options. So for example, the breathing mode, where you have like the pulsating ambient lights in different colors, like you see now. Then speed sensitive ones. So for example, you have different ambient light depending on the speed that you are driving, as you can see here. Then the custom button, so you can choose any color you like, and then musical rhythm also available, and ambient light setting with driving mode. Speaking about the driving modes, this car has different driving modes: eco, sport, and adaptive. Adaptive is very good because it really adapts to your driving style very good. So let's put it in adaptive mode for now. And now again, the 3D view when you turn on the indicator on lower speeds. Tell me in the comments which ambient light is your favorite. Of course, if you follow me regularly, you will know that I'm a fan of the blue color, so let's keep it this way for now. And one very convenient thing is that the AC is controlled on switches. So here is where you can control the air blower, and this is to adjust the temperature, but it's very easy to use it. You can also press it here on touch, but I don't think you need to do that because you have it here, and then you can turn it on or off by pressing this button. But of course I will turn it on, as it's a lovely evening today in Zagreb, and it's not that hot, but yeah, definitely we'll be using the AC during the drive. And tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts on the interior, on this layout, and blind spot assist working and warning us that we have the blind spot, that we have the car in our blind spot. You saw it also when the car was here. You will see it now. There we go. And also I can go to sport mode. The car has got a lovely sound as well. So when I put on the throttle and you hear the sound, it's actually very pronounced. I really love this. Hear the sound, it is so pronounced. You can really enjoy the drive in this car. Of course, when you put it to different driving modes, then it behaves differently, so that is good. And then again, adaptive one adapts very well. So for example, if I go to eco mode, now you will see you can do a nice relaxed drive. I will do another lap next time with the sport mode on, so Now we have nice relaxed driving, but of course if I put it to sport mode, now that is really pronounced. I'm loving it. And there's also the panoramic sunroof. We can open it. And enjoy this night drive. And now I've closed the sunroof and stopped because I just want to show you the price list. So here we have it. The GF version that we have here, 26,270 euros. Extra is just the color, so 720 euros. And the white color is free in Croatia, so it will probably be pretty popular. And then GF Plus is the trim that gets you the lavender color and different wheels, 27,770 euros. Now we can continue the drive itself. Put it to drive and we are ready. If you press this, here you have a bunch of settings, including the safety and driver assist systems that can be adjusted in here. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned, subscribe for more. Plenty of more to come with this car and other cars as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.